What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV. Now, we have a problem. I don't know if YouTube is shadow banning me or y'all not showing love. How I post like almost 10 videos and we still have not hit 500 subscribers? I'm confused. If y'all don't want to join the squad and you watching this video, then you suspect as hell. If you're new here, hit the fucking subscribe button. And also subscribe nicely. My bad. Also subscribe to my other channel, and as well, as I always say this, follow me on Instagram right here. Now, you might see the background seems like it's getting more and more busy behind me. Yes, I'm getting more inventory. You guys seen the video of the Fire Red 3s. I have a whole bunch of stuff in here I have to ship out. And I have stuff coming up this week, so that's why I've been just stacking stuff. I have no time to do anything. Only if you guys can see how much shipping boxes is in front of me. Like, literally, boxes everywhere. You can hear them. They're literally everywhere. Because I'm getting more W's online than I am in person. I'm getting more deals online than in person. So I might as well save money, but also make money. Regardless, like this video, comment, whatever. Because if you're new here, I do respond to all comments. So do any questions, any comments, just comment. I'll respond. I'll read them all. So like I said, I have a lot of videos to film for you guys this week, and you see the title, you see the box, you see the shoe in the thumbnail, whatever it is you see first. So let's get right into this video, and yeah, let's get it, because it's hot and I'm hungry, so let's get it. Alright, so off rip, for the first time in a long time, Drake lyrics. Jordan 1 Lows came in some special box, I guess because it's kind of like a true blue. I don't know what their theory is on that, but let's just get into the box real quick because people do care about it. The Air Jordan logo with the wing. You can see it right there. Air Jordan logo with the wing across, sideways, diagonally on the box there. It's kind of all around, actually. You can see it on that edge and then the bottom. I mean, on this side. With the size, this is a size 12 that I will be reviewing for you guys. Size 12. I know you probably seen this shoe on Nike's website, in store, Jimmy Jazz. Everywhere you go, they have this shoe. Mind you, they do have this in my store in the Finish Line near me, but they don't let me use the coupon, so fuck them. You want me to use coupon on bricks? No. You see, first of all, this shoe is not a brick, but you not allowing people to use the coupon, you're not getting no money anyway. You're slowly gonna have that shoe sit there. But I got something I'm gonna do next time, because I never really talked to the manager of Finish Line. She'll probably never watch this video. But that manager is not, I'm not attracted to her. So it's like, I don't find the courage to be like, hey, let me get your number, let's work out some business. I do know I'm making a mistake because I could be making money with her and all that stuff. She is a person I used to hate, but now me and her is cool. We do talk. She did say bye to me today and all that stuff. But they also hire, no offense, I'm not shaming nobody, but there's a dyke manager at that Finish Line. And she hates my guts because I had an argument with her and an associate before about some return policy, whatever crap. But I need to get that girl that I'm talking about, not the dyke one, the other one that I told you, like, me and her started becoming cool now. Because personally, I could tell her, like, yo, you know I'm trying to do business. Let me use the coupon. She'll let me know, like, hey, come this time. I could pop in the time she tells me to. I won't even have to speak to her. She'll already know, like, look at me. She'll be like, all right. And then she'll cash me out. And then she'll let me use the coupon. And I could buy another one of these. Literally, I made $30 off of this. This is a size 12. I have 3. Two size 12s and 12 and a half. 12 and a half, I don't know why it's not selling fast enough. But the 2 size 12 sold. I literally went to the store, like I said, Finish Line today. I seen the 13 on the wall. I'm like, they're literally sitting here for $110. I could use the coupon and get it for $90. See what I'm saying? But no, they don't want us to use a coupon, so now this shoe is just gonna sit there. Then I don't know what's up with them. They should be a little more lenient. I know some places, all the shoe YouTubers that's famous or whatever, they allowed to use their coupon. But here in New York, Brooklyn, Manhattan, or wherever you at, they do not let us use the coupon. So I had to use it online. So literally, they're probably sitting at every store possibly by you. So if you get it for cheap and sell it for retail, then go ahead. Same thing I did. I bought these online, even though they're sitting in stores. So let's get right into it. I'm going to show you both shoe. It's the Jordan 1 Low True Blue colorway. Let's get that thumbnail. put the blue laces in front. Actually, no. Let's tuck it in. Let's call it a day. Jordan 1 Low. Boom. Jordan 1 Low, true blue. Came out of nowhere. The colorway is pretty solid. It's funny because when they were sitting in stores, gladly I didn't get them because they're 110. And I don't know if that's tax or not in store, but once a shoe is under 100 or whatever, I know there's no tax. So that's why this will be 90 flat. They let us use the coupon in store because you know my main Finish Line account, I have gazillion points. So I have a whole bunch of $20 coupons. For people that don't know, it's sad because even when I watch other YouTubers, I get mad because people still don't know the basics of reselling. Like, they're like, oh, how'd you get it for 90? Oh, how'd you get it for this? Oh, this and that. It's like, dude, you look at the fucking app. Like, I hope none of my supporters or subscribers literally, I get y'all could be young, but damn, stop acting dumb. Like, no one told me how to find out all this information. I literally looked and did it. Like, exclusive access. You see it goes down, right? You have points. Read. Nobody wants to read. The coupon literally pops up. $10, $15, and $20 in your Finish Line or JD app. It literally shows you as rewards. Common sense. Spend the points. Buy $20 coupon. Duh. I'm just ranting right now because I'm kind of like just getting frustrated. But let's get into the shoe. Comes with extra laces, blue. I do like this true blue. Obviously, I wish this would come with the 3s. That is the famous true blue 3s. If you know, you know. I do have a personal pair. So yeah, this is literally the elephant print in the back with the blue on the logo. Same logo on the box all over. You got the Jordan Jumpman on the tongue. You got the little cool gray, black and white base around the front, all that stuff. Black Nike check around the shoe is not really no difference. Come with white laces. Instead of just white laces and blue laces, they should at least give you another pair of laces, the gray or black laces. But if it's not black, it'll be kind of weird having dark up here and white down here. They should at least give you gray laces. But that's whatever Jordan and Nike wants to do. Up top is only part that's like suede. I don't know if you could tell it's suede. But definitely this is a solid shoe. Jordan 1 Low. Like I said, you can buy them on Finish Line JD website. But the other day they did have a size 11 and down. But I think last time I checked they were sold out. So whatever. And Finish Line and JD, let me just say this. I do have love for them. But let me tell you the scam they do. See, when I'm copping shoes like this, they allow me to use different cards. Just like you normally would do, right? Different cards, same address, whatever, they ship it. But when I was trying to get the 5 red 3s, even though it was different cards, same address, they want to cancel 2 out of 3 of my orders. So, like, what the fuck? At the end of the day, still people did, I guess, want the shoe. Because, you know, Finish Line JD oversells and then they'll say, sorry, we refunded you because all that stuff. But it's like, damn, you didn't refund this. But I know they got pairs, obviously. But they are sold out now, I think, on the app. So, I don't know what to tell you right now, but if your store lets you use the coupon, go ahead. Buy size 12, 13. If you could get a 14, I don't really know. 11, I didn't check the market on size 11, but I just know I got 2 size 12s. They sold in a matter of less than a week. Made $30 each pair. 12 and a half, I'm probably going to make less than 30 because, I don't know, whatever. Whoever buys it, I don't know how much I got it on sale for, but $30 profit. So think about it. 3 shoes, 30 profit. That's literally $90 I made off of these bricks, right? You just got to think smart, guys. So let me know what you think about these true blue lows, Jordan 1 lows. Are they a solid cop? Do you actually like the color pattern? I like how they just came out of nowhere and just started hitting stores and everyone's looking at these like, where the hell these come from? But if you know, you know, Jordan 1 lows and hot mids, they just drop randomly. Some of them got hot, like high resale. That's why you always got to check. You never know what colorway is doing good on the market. And in this day and age, you want to make sure you're making profit. You want to make sure you're getting shoes to sell, not sit on shoes as bricks. You guys should already know when it comes to Jordans, red, black, white, blue, and gray, those kind of 5 color patterns is going to be out of here. Literally any color with gray, white, black, blue, or red. People like to be basic in their fashion. I don't care. If I'm making money, fine. I'm not going to be the one that's going to keep buying shoes in red, 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 red. Even though all my sneakers, a lot of them are red because all the classic Jordans are red. But it's like, when they drop dunks, I don't say, oh, let me get red dunks. Or they'll drop a phone like this. Like, people need to expand their fashion. This is why there's people that knows how to dress and don't know how to dress. They just throw on anything. But this is a solid shoe. But like I said, just because I love true blues in my 3s, I'm not going to go and cop these. I just rhymed. And if you don't know, I make music on my other channel, so go subscribe to that channel. Anyways, I'm out of here. Like I said, I got mad stuff to do. I know I'm filming this video late. I just been eating. Well, I had like earlier when I went to the gym. All that good stuff. I don't want to ramble. So make sure you like, subscribe, share this video, share the channel. Get more people on the squad. And I don't know why we don't have 500 subs yet, but we'll get there eventually. I just don't know when. But if you're watching and you're not subscribed, then click the subscribe button. Your boy Little Roy's out, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. I obviously will drop videos this whole week, because like I said, I got so much stuff to film. I just have not gotten to it. But I'm going to edit this video right now, upload it, and then boom, leave me alone for the day. Just playing. You guys know, obviously, I do this because I want to, not because I'm forced to. Holla back. See you guys in the next one. Your boy Little Roy's out. Peace.